How to share your Canva design to WhatsApp. Now there's two ways to do this. If you want to share your design only for people to view it and not to edit it, you can press this button, share, press more, and then right here, public view link. Press this, and then press this as well, create public view link. And now you'll get a link that when typed into the address bar, will come up as this. People can view it, but they can't edit it in any way possible. So once you have this link, you just go to your WhatsApp, copy and paste it, and there you go. But what if you want to share your Canva design so people can edit it? Fairly simple. You just press share again. On this collaboration link, make sure it says anyone with the link, and also it says can edit. You copy this link. And for example, if I type it in, it'll instead go into this page where anyone with the link can open it, edit it, design it, whatever. For example, I just go here, and just like that, you've essentially shared your design onto WhatsApp. It's as easy as that.